Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we have a very basic topic, that why you should learn English. Why is it important to learn English? So I'm going to list a few reasons that you must learn English. The very first reason is worldwide communication. Do you know more than 1,000 million people speak and understand English around the world? And it's the official language for more than 100 countries in the world. So if you understand, if you know English, you get connected to people around the world and you make international friends. So that's a benefit. Option number 2, English gives you opportunities. Do you know every year thousands of employers, they are looking for candidates who understand English so that they can carry out their business activities, they can deal their international clients, they conduct certain business meetings, they conduct certain types of visits abroad for behalf of the company. So they need the candidates to speak English, to understand English in order to take their business to higher level. So if you know English, you understand English, that's a benefit for you. You can avail this opportunity too. The third point is English is the language of internet. If you're watching YouTube, you're watching Facebook, Instagram, whatever search engine you are watching, or you are just searching for certain types of websites where you need some information for your career. So that's important. You should know English. If you know English, you can use these social networks properly, and you can avail certain benefits too. And it helps you to surf website easily and acquire your desired information. So that's also a benefit. The fourth reason, English is the language of education. You know, English enables you and gives you access to world's largest universities in America and UK. And secondly, if you want to keep yourself up to date, that's only English which keeps you up to date, because you get all the publications to your related field at that time published. So if you understand English, you can just read out the books related to your field published recently. And if you are having a research, you have a technological innovation, you are studying science and business, that's only English which helps you just maintain your position and grow more and more through searching, through books, through internet. The fifth reason, English is the language of media and film industry. If somebody understands English, the person is having access to online materials, TV shows, talk shows, social networks, newspaper, radio, everything. The person is going to have access without relying on subtitles. You don't need to rely on subtitles, because you get used to listen in English and you really enjoy it, and you do not rely on dub version, subtitles, all the materials other than English. You just focus the English and you understand it, you enjoy English, and you do not rely on subtitles and translations. It's also one of the benefits of English that it enables you to enter into media. It enables you to enter into film industry and to understand more about culture, more about people, and you get fun. The sixth point, English is easy and fun. English is all fun from first point to fifth point. It's all fun. You have to do the activities that gives you certain type of entertainment. And it's easy because its alphabet are so easy. Its pronunciation is not that much ambiguous. Its sounds are so clear. If somebody speaks, you understand. You get used to it very quickly. Unlike other alphabets, other languages, alphabets, their sounds, it takes a lot of efforts to understand those sounds and pronunciation. It's very easy to understand English. So I recommend you to learn English, to explore the world, and keep yourself up to date and acquire a lot of opportunities. Thank you very much. Take your best care. Bye-bye.